Welcome to Nova, where we explore the heights of elite living. Today, we're boarding a private jet that costs $50,000 an hour, and trust me, this isn't your average first-class flight. From sky-high suites to five-star service, you're about to see what flying like a billionaire really looks like. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on luxury, travel, and elite living. Let's get started. 1. The aircraft experience. For $50,000 per hour, you board aircraft like Gulfstream G700 or Bombardier Global 7500. These jets feature full bedrooms, marble showers, dining rooms, and high-speed global Wi-Fi. Cabins have silent pressurization systems to reduce fatigue and jet lag on long-haul journeys. Leather seating is custom-stitched. Climate zones are adjustable per seat. Noise is minimal. Windows are larger than commercial jets, offering panoramic sky views in total relaxation. Ambient lighting mimics sunrise and sunset to align your body clock with global destinations. The crew includes chefs, stewards, and even spa technicians for full onboard pampering. Every detail inside reflects extreme customization, down to materials, art, and ceiling height. 2. Personal staff and service. At $50,000 per hour, the service is not just first class, it is completely individualized. Flight attendants are trained in etiquette, emergency medical care, wine service, and cuisine. Chefs on board prepare multi-course meals based on your diet, taste, and cultural preferences. Pilots often greet guests personally, and crews memorize names, rituals, and drink choices. Luxury brands train the staff, and many are recruited from yachts or elite hospitality venues. Guests are never asked to wait. Instead, every service happens before they think to request it. You are given a private phone line to staff and pilots, available even in transcontinental zones. 3. Custom itineraries. $50,000 an hour buys more than transport, it buys time molded entirely to your will. Routes are flexible. You can land closer to destinations than any commercial schedule allows. Stopovers in Iceland, lunch in Paris, sunset in Marrakech, it is travel tailored to your mood. Itineraries are fluid. Business meetings, art tours, and remote beaches all fit in one day. The jet waits for you, not the other way around. You fly when you want, where you want. If you wish to reroute mid-air to attend an event, the crew pivots without hesitation or delay. Private terminals make boarding invisible, and customs clearance happens before you land. Destinations may include remote islands, sky resorts, vineyards, or desert golf getaways. 4. Onboard dining. Private jet dining is on par with Michelin star restaurants and often curated by them. Menus are reviewed days before departure and often based on your medical or mood profile. Caviar, Wagyu beef, truffles, and saffron-infused dishes are served on gold-edged china. Chefs board the plane or prepare dishes off-site, reheated with exacting temperature control. Wine cellars are customized, including vintages costing more than $10,000 each. Table settings use fine crystal, monogrammed linens, and handmade porcelain serviceware. Dining is never rushed. Multiple courses are plated between meetings, naps, or sightseeing. Some jets include sushi stations, chocolate fountains, or espresso bars with trained baristas. 5. Security and privacy. When you spend $50,000 per hour, privacy and security are core parts of the experience. There are no terminals, crowds, or paparazzi. Passengers use hidden hangars and VIP gates. Flights are untraceable by flight radar if requested, and destinations are never logged publicly. Bodyguards, decoy vehicles, and private police escorts ensure seamless departure and arrival. Some jets are equipped with secure comms for encrypted calls, video, and digital documents. Business tycoons, celebrities, and heads of state often demand airtight security protocols. Cabins are soundproofed to allow confidential conversations without any fear of interception. Luggage is guarded and scanned by private teams, never handled by unknown personnel. At this level, the plane is your fortress in the sky, beyond access, observation, or risk. 6. Tech and connectivity. These jets are flying data centers fully connected to the world with no loss of speed or access. Internet speeds are high enough for Zoom calls, live stock trading, and 4K film streaming. Seats often include fold-out tablets, biometric scanners, and app-based lighting controls. TV screens retract into desks, and conference tables convert into media walls on command. Smart cabins detect your temperature, humidity preference, and even sleep cycle rhythms. Clients can use facial recognition to lock devices, cabinets, or entire rooms in flight. The cockpit is digitally shielded, and some jets use artificial intelligence flight interfaces. Passengers have dedicated tech assistants who troubleshoot and update all devices in air. 7. Entertainment and leisure. When you're not working or sleeping, jets at this level offer cinematic and sensory immersion. Private theaters feature surround sound, recliners, and preloaded films or live TV channels. Some aircraft include onboard spas, with hot stone massage beds and aromatherapy rooms. Entertainment systems respond to gesture, voice, or remote for total hands-free experience. You can fly with a music band, art exhibit, or live chef demo as part of mid-air entertainment. Game rooms with VR, casino tables, and even private piano lounges are custom built in. Luxury jets have libraries, meditation domes, or walk-in wine cellars as leisure features. You may see ceiling art, planetarium lights, or even streaming aquariums on the walls. 8. Global access. Private jets open borders in ways commercial travel never can, all within your command. You can reach over 10,000 airports globally, many where airlines simply never go. From African savannas to Icelandic glaciers, routes are limited only by your imagination. Flights can reroute for changing weather, closed airspace, or diplomatic meetings instantly. Global landing rights, refueling permissions, and airspace clearances are all pre-negotiated. Luxury concierge teams arrange visas, hotel access, and even diplomatic escort if required. You can fly from the Arctic Circle to the Maldives without stopping or switching planes. Pets, children, staff, and luxury cargo all travel under your schedule and security protocols. Border delays vanish when the entire route is pre-cleared by international aviation experts. 50,000 per hour ensures you cross continents as easily as someone crosses town. 9. Health and wellness. Health is part of luxury at this tier. Wellness becomes integrated into the flight design. Cabins are humidity controlled to reduce dehydration, with hospital-grade air purification. Some jets include hyperbaric chambers, IV therapy setups, or ozone detox modules. Nutritional consultants often help plan in-flight menus based on gut, sleep, or glucose levels. Massage seats and yoga pods are available, with attendants trained in body alignment care. In-flight fitness programs, stretch routines, and meditation sessions can be pre-scheduled. Some aircraft are built around circadian rhythms, adjusting lighting and sound accordingly. Vitamin infusions, skincare treatments, and mental focus therapy are commonly requested. Jet lag reduction is a science here, not just a hope your body lands ready and restored. This is travel that extends your lifespan, not shortens it. 50,000 buys rejuvenation. 10. The symbol of power. More than luxury, this is a symbol. Private jet tours at this level are icons of global power. Each hour flown is a statement of achievement, command, and limitless personal agency. Billionaires use these flights to save time, but also to project influence and elite access. The jet becomes your mobile empire, where empires are bought, deals signed, and visions born. Owning or chartering such flights puts you in a rare group of world-shaping individuals. Every experience on board says you are not bound by schedules, airports, or restrictions. Even among the rich, this level of flight separates success from legend and legacy. It is not about flying, it is about ascending above limits, geography, and even imagination. 50,000 per hour is not spent on speed, it is invested in freedom and narrative. This is where power, privacy, and personal luxury converge at 35,000 feet. From gourmet meals at 40,000 feet to onboard bedrooms that rival luxury hotels, this is what $50,000 an hour delivers. Could you see yourself flying like this? Let us know in the comments. And if this tour took your travel dreams to the next level, like the video and subscribe to Nova for more exclusive looks into the world's most luxurious experiences. See you next time.